In this video, I will show you how to use Base44 to build a professional website in seconds using AI. Let's get started. I'll begin by typing a detailed prompt into the generation bar, describing a modern portfolio for a freelance digital marketer with specific sections like a here area, services grid, and a clean contact form. Once I hit generate, the AI starts designing the layout, selecting an elegant deep blue and white color palette as requested, while the Building Your Idea screen is active and the system is busy generating custom assets. Once the generation process finishes, I can see the list of completed components on the left, from the navigation bar to the footer. I'll take a quick look at the live preview to see how the architecting attention theme looks. The result is a stunning, high-conversion landing page featuring smooth scroll animations and clear call-to-action buttons. To take this live, I simply click the Publish button in the top right corner. I'll set the app visibility to public and hit Publish. Within moments, I have a live URL that I can copy and open in a new tab. The final website is fully responsive, polished, and ready for clients, demonstrating how Base44 transforms a simple text prompt into a complete, functional digital presence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.